Good evening, beautiful people on a Monday evening. Except fair to how are you, beautiful ladies? Join me as I dine. I hardly do this, I've never done this, but yeah, I'd like you guys to join me. So namhlanje, I invited 2 people for dinner. I'm last minute, so they couldn't show up because obviously isn't this a last minute? What's happening live restricted for some audiences? Why is that? Well, I don't know. Yeah. So abezanga ngoba bekunto zama last minute, but I'm not gonna not have dinner ngenxa yabo. Again, sanibonani ninjani? Umasipala, beautiful citizens. The music is very loud. I feel like running, guys. Excuse me, just one moment. Shush, shut up. Yeah, that's more like it. I felt like I was competing with the music behind me. Sunny Bonani, nothing big, just a dinner, supper. You know, mehluko between a dinner and a supper, by the way. Shut up, bro. Anyway, I decided to go live today because I'm Peggy. I'm the one who cooked today, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to taste my food. I wish you guys were here to evidence my greatness. Amangitshela abantu ukuthi mina nginja yokupheka ababelieve mduva anibelieve.
I believe ukuthi uwe oku TikTok live.
I'm live, baby. I cooked today. Come on.
Into nidla healthy mos.
I'm a healthy bro.
Manje le gym session uthini?
Ayi wena ufuna ukugqisa ama heavyweight mina ngizano.
Hayi, so shy cardio.
Yeah, cardio, easy stuff. Yangithola njalo.
Ngiyakuthola. Masipala manje abantu abadansayo batholile masipala.
Ngibatholile ndoda, yazi kukuba ukhona kube nginvite wena ukuthi ungijoine esigawule kube mnandi nje yami.
So yenza ngelinye kumele mara uphekayo serious Amos.
Njayam, I'm the chef, bro. I'm the farmer and I'm a chef.
Serious?
I eat what I plant.
Intwana yabona bafethu ayikho umntwana lingaze cathi yachoma bafethu isipanile. Yes.
Mduva. I want to pray for my food because I want to indulge. God bless my food. Bless the hands that prepared the food. Let the food serve its purpose in my stomach kingdom. Let it nourish me, but not give me big belly. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Amen. Ngisho ngizoba-invite next time, Jayam. Now ngizoku-invite.
Mina kuzodla noma yini nje yami mayiplantwe uwe.
Yabona yonke into elando tayibuye efamini yami. And angixhomi njalo.
Wait, nenyama?
Nenyama.
So
le nkomo ngiyihlabe 3 weeks ago.
manje uhlaba inkomo after how long?
I mean, we depend on my order. Yeah, we're not.
Ngani yasaba kusho.
We depend on my order, Jayam. Man, let's
Kodwa
pretty much
uphila
there's
iphupho.
skizolo. Literally.
No mara uphila iphupho mos.
Jayam, I've got a good relationship with food, dog. I've been trying so much to lose some weight and hey, maring tandi kaulo, dog.
Aunga there's ways, dog. How you are eating now, it's literally how you should eat, vele. Ukuthi
Yakan nesihlahla se-avocado ngale muva. And the more I eat avocado, hey, bana ngiyapompela.
shuthi uyidla kakhulu. Then you need to build a good relationship with food, not a toxic one.
True that, my brother.
Yeah, because right now nithandana kakhulu nize ninokuxabana sometimes.
Ayi ndoda, ngike ngacasha i-dietitian ukuthi ngisize nge-diet, na wazithola sekala nami. No, I mean, ukudla ngikupreparayo bana kumnandi kawu. Angithuthi kumnandi.
Guys, ngizomchallenge u-Amos Nawari, ngizomtexta kwamapela and ngizoplan iday ilanga la sizoya khona kuye sibe live sidle naye. I swear to God, like nginokubona ukudla kwalo muntu like on WhatsApp uyabona ukuthi lo muntu upheke kamnandi mara nginokuzibuza ukuthi maybe le ithola umuntu ephekelayo yazi.
Mtu, I stay alone, you know that, right?
No, I thought una chef phela ngengazi ndoda hawo.
Ngihlala ngiyi-one mfethu and makumele ngilobole ish ngokucabanga ukuthi do I really need to lobola? I mean, I've got some good wine, good food.
Manje wine uyayenza naye.
I wine.
Snoopy. Ubani
Ngithenga lapha e-top.
Ubani lo oqeda ukudlula?
Oh, I've got 2 new members of the family.
Ubani nobani?
Angabanika amagama, ngisacabanga.
Akushuthi umdanso nomasipala.
Ngisabacabange.
Abacabangela ngiyakuthemba uzobuya namagama answembu.
Mara ngicela uku-invite ake mtuwa.
Mina mfethu ngiready for wena.
Plus wena uyajima ndoda.
Yacava abantu ababhaya bacabanga ukuthi gym like it's the one thing egenza ukuthi lose weight and it's not. It's what you're doing.
It's not.
Cut. Mele ngabe udla inyama yodwa.
It's not. Ifana no music, abantu basho ukuthi i-hit song into eyenza ukuthi udume. And it's not just a hit. There's just so many components. It's a whole team. It's a lot of PR and marketing, timing and positioning. Kuningi kawu.
Now Inja. Bafethu please go and put the hard knees. Yabo lapho ku Amos guys. Because I know if he's starting now, that means he's gonna do it more. Ngicela nifaka ama hard knees lo muntu lo akazazi lezi zinto. He's learning them. Ngiyamfundisa as we speak. Ngicela nifaka ama hard knees. So the hard knees Amos they're gonna help you ukuthi every time when you are live bayithole sure information yakho yabo. So the more hard knees you get, the more interactions you'll get also when you go live. Yeah. Nagim guys, ngicela nifaka ama hard knees lapho when don't forget to put your hard knees and claim your coins. Danko.
Honestly, I don't know what that means. I don't know how it benefits my life or me. I'm just going live and sharing my lifestyle with people.
How many people do you have there?
It says what? 200.
200, ne?
Yeah.
Leo 200 leo. at some point if bonke bafaka ama-hug-me,
Yeah.
amanye last a day or two, whatever, you know, depending on what select him up. The more people put the hug-me's, every time when you are live, ungavala le live, an hour later we shy randomly. Bazobuya, bazothola information bonke as long as bavugile. So I find in the Instagram,
Yazi mntu.
yeah,
Mina ngithanda imali ndoda.
it's
Yabona
gonna
ngama-memes lawa mangabe bazongipha imali siyakhuluma.
akona.
Okay, khuluma naye.
Ama-coins.
Kanjani kanjani?
Ama-coins. Guys, ngicela nimgifteni lapho, ngicela nimgayeni something strong nyala, something cleansy. Khona azobona, ngizomchazela later.
Imali
Ngicela
yamambela.
nimgifte lapho. Lalela mina.
Hayi ngiyangishaya.
Guys, ngicela nimgifte lapho, mshayeli ngemani gun, igalaxy nyana, like ikhuphuke nyana, sibone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Lo muntu lo akasithembi, la ifamily la.
Maye mabashaya mina ngemali ngisho ukuthi iphume e-accountini yabo ingena e-accountini yami.
Yeah.
Hayi mntu icalile yabo.
I swear to God, dog. Abanye bayithenga nge-airtime. Abanye bayibhaya nge-PayPal.
Hayi ngizwa ngawe mfethu mina ngizazi lezi.
No, ungawari wena ngiyazi uzoyibamba that thing. Phela yabona with the little time we spent like over the years, ne? You are very technical. Awenzi into mahala. Siyafana, like you don't just do things nje ungekho sure, but uzozama. Over time I know.
Sizoyibamba
Ah,
ekugcineni.
wena the day uyibamba sozwa ngawe man.
Usho nje.
Yes. Wait, guys, is it him or me? Oh, it's me.
Ucela indwe eBotswana.
July.
July.
Yeah. Ah, no,
When
yazi ngenzani wena. Yazi ngenzani Amos. Angithi you saw what the songs do, ne? Abantu bacabanga ukuthi like with that song, dog, like each track ezibhaya that we release, they have a lot of marketing involved, you know. So I needed the social media. Into be short. So I yabona njengamanje, like we're building a family, we know there's people here, you post things and they move. But there was a time where I was not active like this on social media. And
But
you were.
you are always active, especially on TikTok. You're always live, dog.
Yeah. Rather do something while you are building. Angithola ehlangene ne-social media. Because abantu ababhaya, that our peers, abanye baya complain and they're not posting, they're not doing anything. Umuntu uyadrop ingoma ayinama 1,000 streams. But you are complaining because they don't invest in pushing. So this is the platform, you know, one of
Oh
the
yeah.
platforms. Yeah.
No,
So Mauzo drop.
good space, must.
Yeah.
Now shout out, man. Shout out to all our followers. Ay, 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 ay. Cheers, Mtuva. Cheers, Mtuva. Ah, go Jayam.
Ah no, standard Marylam. What you can do is uzobabona la yabona kunamaring ayi-2 ne.
Yeah.
You can use that to interact namafeno wakho sometime the day you have time. So ngizokuchazela zonke. Noma ungangidonsa yabona mo live bona ukuthi ngi-live because mo click ama-rings izokubonisa. You can only see people that you follow and they follow you at the top. And then below I'll explain gay over time. But dog, we enjoy game. Guys, ningathi like
Oh
uNkulunkulu
yes,
akasiphanteka ngitholele Amos.
mina ngiyabonga Jayam.
Nabantu bami ngibaplagile pheka sihleli nawe vandag and udla imili eyenziwe engadini yakho.
Ngiyangithola.
Oh yes. Another thing. Aye. Guys, ufaka ama-settings ushaye no under 18. Bakutshelile nga-riding le. So uyifakile vele ngithe mangi-invite uyifakile. It's written no under 18 what, right? That
Yeah.
thing also amanye ama-numbers wabantu, you don't see them because they are underage. Uzifake leyo nto. So for you, when you're pushing music or whenever you're having conversations at grand, just remove that thing and don't smoke. Don't put a glass of wine or whatever. Ungakhumuli iskipha phambi kwabantu, ungathweki, ungashayi idlala kasibuno sesi-1. All that. Ungafaka amantombazana anqunu. Yabo nje you TikTok basically idlala ngathi mara yenza kahle because this is a very diverse network. Yabo, so uzothola incosi la bese upostana nodoti. Yabo, so khawathi umuntu. So they will block you. You lose your your whole account.
For real?
Yeah, you lose it. Like if they strike you once or twice, the third time you lose it.
Khona abantu baziyo who have lost their accounts due
I
to
did.
that.
This is my new one.
For real?
Yeah.
Yini amahabli?
No, at first, yakhumbula, I think by shintshile izinto, but mangenza so. Yakhumbula that dance. They flagged me, but I'm being sexually suggestive. It was very
Oh.
bad last year. Bad. So you just need to be careful.
Ema October. Nokubona le katabolo nokuba live nazo ekawo.
No, mara menu uzwakale dog.
Hayi, uzitholaphi?
No, abantu bethu bala TikTok, we are friends la.
Is it?
Yeah, we're friends. Yazi enye into
No.
yindayide ngile. It's a new way of interacting with your people for real. You see the ones that are with you. But at the same time, kunabanye abantu abangazilanga into ezigrand. So when you pray for rain, expect mud too, you know. So in this case, like you'll find people that will be happy to see you, and others they just wanna piss you off. The best thing you can do, scroll, Baba. Mkhiphe live in yakho qhubeka.
I'm saying this because whenever I shoot a music video,
Yeah.
I usually look for models and
Mm.
people who are appealing to camera.
Yeah.
And I struggle, ndoda. And
You
mangibabona
see
kuwe,
here.
I'm like, yo.
Awuzwakala so co-host kanje. Maybe if we don't co-host like this, we'll open a panel. And then we ask them to pull up with a dress like this. Pela, we could literally find ama character. Ukuthi okay, if ufuna le character le, cela ugqoke kanje. If ufuna le character le, cela ugqoke kanje. Maybe we post 5 and then we start a panel. Kungcono masi 2 or 4 yabo abantu abazo interacta because abanye mele bahlanye abanye mele balahle, you know. So all that is important for a panel ukuthi lokingena abantu ababhayi,
No,
you
you're
know. More you one, they will listen to you, but it's not as entertaining as C4, you know.
No, absolutely, I agree with you.
Yeah. So we're gonna announce maybe Sofagu status Sagu TikTok ukuthi guys on ngo-10 namhlanje ntambama we're gonna host this live no Mtuva no Banban and then we're gonna be looking for ama character so na so please get dressed ganje na ganje. We'll just stand there usibonise kuphela. If you don't
Okay.
want to, it's up to you. And then abanye abantu that get chosen, of course, bazobhadalwa. Abanye, they will tell us what they do. Is it in line with what they want to do in life, you know, all that. Because we have the time here. You understand? We're going to run that maybe for an hour or 2 hours or whatever. And then they'll get to know you. By the time you shoot, sekunaleyo nto le akusena friction ngathi manje umuntu ongamazi, you know?
That's all. But all these people that enter into your life, abantu abablomava, like, is it all over Sauta?
It's all over South Africa. But you find others. I need to your specifier on the live. Which okay, guys. Sifuna abantu endaweni esodwa. Because we can't be moving people from. But labo try look babona abantu bala.
Is it?
Yeah,
No, that's dope.
yeah.
Have you met any of them personally?
Yeah.
You lie, Mtuva.
Yeah, like Abanya Siazana from Tala. Abanye,
Oh,
it's people, that you meet here. Abanye, it's people that you are the artists as well. Abanye, they know people that you know. Because I don't think it's either there's someone who wants to get to know you as a artist or as a human being. It's someone that you've interacted with. All these things, like they build over time, Badila.
Mtuva. You know, Uti, I've never been signed by any major record label. I've always run my own record label from day one. For real, yeah. I own 100% of all my music. No, I'm for real.
No, Maranya, I believe when I think about how we met, you young Chol. Because if that time when we met le North, bosayiniwe, ngabe ngibalela ushukela kati.
I've
Instead
never been
kwasipaneka
signed.
kwaba mnandi.
I've always owned my music. I've always owned my masters. I've never been signed to any major record labels, like in any way. So, with that being said, I feel like I'm in a space where I want to give a lot of people an opportunity. I want not to really uh, sign them per se, but I want because mfethu talent liphaya kahle.
Yeah,
Ngendlela emangalisayo, there's so much talent out there that's not documented or well packaged or distributed rather. Yangithole. And ingizwisa ebuhlungu mangibona ukuthi yo umntana le inswembu mara he's still in the same position but inswembu yangithole.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I kind of want to give those guys an opportunity to thrive. No ngabe ngibasusa la ngibabeka la, and then they will decide which they want to
yeah,
go to wherever. It's up to them. But because me and now we are where we are because there was someone who believed in
helped.
us and invested some
Yeah,
capital in us. Doesn't matter how much, but we are where we are because there was someone who actually invested money.
yeah,
I'm telling you. And
yeah,
it's not being it's not being extremely talented or very special.
yeah,
I believe there are people who are way doper than me now, by far, young 12.
yeah,
There are people to unmatched. Mas artists who are doing very well in the industry compared to them. Asiboni Foko. You understand?
yeah,
It's just that they haven't been given a chance or they haven't been given a platform ukuthi bazibonakalise ukuthi bantswembu kangakanani. Yangithola. And
yeah,
I stand for that. I stand for giving those guys a platform to showcase their talent, But
yeah,
currently, before ngiyakuma artists, because ngiyazi ama-artist abhaya, there's a lot of talented artists out there. I want to dive into dancers because I realize something about ama dancers, Guti. We are thriving as artists because of ama TikTok challenges. Young Paul. We might take them lightly, but we are who we are today. Ngikwazi ukusipha iwine, ngikwazi ukutshala engadini yami because of someone who started a TikTok challenge for my song, and my song went viral. The streams went extremely high, and the downloads went crazy, and I'm telling the bookings, and
yeah,
those are the people that are very close to my heart currently. And Filangati, they need this big platform. So I'm 19, let's go December.
yeah,
Still have a dance reunion, a dance competition.
yeah,
It's not really, it is a competition, but I don't really care who wins, who doesn't win. It's just that the competition, mele kube nomuntu oyi-one at the end of the day, one group.
of course.
But the initiative is just having every dancer in one room participating, interacting, and sharing contacts, building each other to a better perspective. Guti, okay, see how I'm a dancer from a class, but what's the pinnacle? Young
Yeah.
Trolley. I mean, I'm seeing this guy, Limpopo Boy. He's a good example because he's doing amazing out there. Like, he's touring the world, not dance, I'm fit, you know.
Yeah.
So that means we can't underestimate the power of dance. Young Trolley.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I've said, ukuthi ingoma zethu zithola ama-double platinum, triple platinum, but it's not only because of my lyric, my input on the creative aspect. They've also contributed immensely
Yeah.
in our creativity. They've contributed a lot, and that's why I'm doing this initiative. Going to all the dances. Ngomhlaka 19th December, Sise Emperor's Palace. Let's gather. Let's make this a success. Let's grow from this event. Let's interact. Zabe kunobuntle, Mudisele, abokamophela bakhona. We've also involved Tom London with his crew, Young Tall, and other guys, Etembi, Sabo Moses, Mulekwa. All these guys are gonna be there, and we're gonna be exchanging ideas into how are we bettering and sharpening each other's irons, Young Tall, to
Yeah.
become better people, man, to become better
Yeah.
dancers, to make money, to make money. I don't want people to dance and they're just chasing passion. Like,
Yeah.
as Tina, we've got so much responsibilities.
Of
From where we
course.
come from our backgrounds, we need to make sure we take it. To tell you a funny story. Oguti, 2 years down in the industry, mainstream, people assume Guta, let's say sharp. Alesi grand, keep out his sharp, nan. By now he's sorted. Dog, I'm telling you, it took me roughly 3 years. Ukuthi ngithi, yeah, no, I wanna mind you. 10 grand. You know why? Because your first gig doesn't mean no matter we charge 50,000 per show. There's still a lot of things we need to take
Pepe.
care of in the
Pepe.
leaking taps, pipes, and
Yeah.
and you can't put a blind eye on that,
Yeah.
your family, and it's people that you've been hustling with, and people that you share something in common, which is love and unconditionally.
Yeah.
So you always have to go back home, and try to, because there's something about being an artist. We travel a lot, Duva,
Yeah.
and we see different cultures, different ethnics, different lifestyles around the world. Was born yo, yes, okay, like Paris baphila kanje. Okay, abantu baseLimpopo baphila kanje. Edropeni, 5-star hotels, beach, France, whatever. And you tend to appreciate life with them. Shoot it in a same move. Shoot abantwana sekhaya bona yo basebumnyameni. Mangwazi ukubona
Of course.
manje.
Of course.
Bazibona nini bona? And you just want to take along with guys. I mean, ngabona inizwalani izobona ukuthi izinto engizibonayo zinjani empilweni, yabona? And it takes time for them to realize ukuthi okay, impilo kahle kahle ngaphandle inje. Life without me is still happening, young tall. So artistry is not a overnight success, guys. Noma ngabe umuntu une hit namhlanje, it doesn't take one hit song really
to make it
whole entire. Maybe back then it used to. Back then was ukushaya hit eli-1 ubabizela namaphoyisa imnandi kangaka for the whole of the year. Amafikizolo was set, but today Dog, you need to be consistent, Ganji, young tall. So, before I deviate from my point, in
Yeah.
19th of December, Emperor's Palace, I'm inviting all the dancers. If you're dope in creating dance challenges, I dope choreography, I'm inviting you to join us. 19th December, Sise Emperor's Palace.
Yeah.
Trust me, guys, it's gonna be worth it for everybody.
Please share Elent. Nina, I need to post.
Poster is dropping tomorrow. The link is already on my social media, literally across all social media platforms. But just to
Yeah.
say it out loud, it's www.mtansofestival.co.za. www.mtansofestival.co.za. You can either buy a ticket to just come and be an audience, experience the performances, experience the talent that's out there, or you can either sign up to become a contestant and join other kids.
Yeah. Yeah. Nyakuthola. When I must say no more. Futhi ke mina ke I'm always live. I'm gonna put that thing. Chokuthi mangivali live more checker total number of viewers from when you started to nokubona 40K. So if that banner is just here as the green screen, let me show you. So that you know Gucci, that's all they see. None of umuntu adlula.
Oh snap! When I'm
You
in
know?
TikTok, okay, let's do.
Over time, Amos Jam, over time. Like Abantu, like I was saying, like Angzwan no nama handouts me. You know?
I appreciate that about you, man.
You see, if this thing
Yeah,
is like this the whole time,
I
someone is
appreciate
seeing
that now.
that
Damn.
thing, you know?
You share so much knowledge, dog. Like you share so much knowledge. Isn't those business cabang nokuthi singakwazi ukuziyenza, and these things have so much impact on our careers, man.
Yeah.
Shout out, man. Shout out.
Nah, no, when I you know this thing now about Lami. Anytime when you're ready, Zongchel. Anytime when you're ready. Zongchel. And the yabo le umtanso le.
Yeah,
Gomeli push it because I understand what it means. I understand what it means, Mina. Even for me. Young Chol, Abantu Papa, they won't understand what it means, but Tina
Mduba.
we do. Able put.
Nota, I remember when I met you. I think it was 2 years ago or 3 years ago.
It was earlier.
Earlier. Okay,
You
what I'm about
remember?
to say is an eye-opening to everybody who
Yeah.
is an inspiring artist. You said something to me, and I really took it lightly back then because I felt so much of a superstar. I've never been an arrogant guy, but I mean, everyone, yabona mawukhulu uhluphekile ne, mawusoqala ukwenza imali, you feel
Yeah.
ufuna wonke umuntu akubone ukuthi impilo yakho
Yeah.
seshintshile. You just want everyone to see ukuthi, dog, I've got 250,000 rand in my bank account. You know,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like wenze success yakho ukuthi uprove abanye abantu point.
Yeah.
Most of the people who we come from the hood, that's the mentality we have. We want to be successful just to prove a point to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, motherfuckers, what we say. This is me right now.
Yeah.
And that's a bad mentality, dog. That's a bad mentality. I remember when I met you, Boshalom Jela, I think you had released a song, No Setril,
Yeah.
and you were telling me about Setril so much. Twana me look feature and Twana le. Me spanel le Twana le. Twana le za same le. You know?
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, no, I'm feature, man, you know. I'm feature, man. I'm born. Hey, Tufa. Hey, Tufa. I'm telling you, in a space of 3 months, everywhere I went, Kala Udem Tuda featuring Setri, wherever I went. I was like, fuck, Duva told me of this before. I did not
Now,
listen. Damn it, I should have jumped on this shit. I should have jumped on. Kube manje, you know, kube nami ngohopha same wavelength nontwana. At that point, already, yes, I did have hit songs, I did have things that kept me going, but I'm just imagining if I had hopped on also onto what he was doing. It could have been massive. It could have been bigger. Young Tol.
yeah,
So my point is that when you are big, always remember that you started small. Always remember the people that you started with. It's easier to go down and it's harder to go up. Because going up it takes years of investment into your music, investment into your craft, relationships, developing a group, a team, writing, buning, young dollar.
yeah, yeah.
And that's what I've learned. And through that experience, being now when I was set real, I was like, I'm not gonna do this mistake. I'm never making this mistake ever again in my life. So that's why I'm respecting an upcoming and I'm respecting an OG at the same time because you'll never know. Sasa Mduva can be nominated for the BET Awards. What are you saying? You know?
I keep saying, go to Amos. I'm a creamy, call.
I'm a cream,
Somebody else,
I'm a cream.
someone else might not see it now, but only you know, Uguti. Man, I'm deserving as well. You understand? And anyone that said to me, we are Tanya, access Bangan.
For real.
I'm feeling grand. In fact, you need to see where we're going. I'm going to go bese uyamdoubt uNkulunkulu vie. Should le nto ishoyo uyiphose emanzini bese uthi ayizofika ezulwini. You know, like you don't trust your prayers, you don't trust anything you say. Should you know deep down inside, which I'm not putting in the work. You know, if you know very well what you are putting in the work, you believe what nami ngizofika
there.
You know, yeah.
And you can't stop working. Another thing that I realized this year, so this year I've been focusing a lot into other things but music, like farming and you know how jealous music is. Music ufuna ukustripha naked. Ufuna umduva.
Yeah.
But that's why it's hard to do music and 9 to 5 and side in like music is so jealous, dog. Once you tap into music ukufuna unjalo, music ukufuna ubroke. Uzokunika hit song. Music ukufuna ungana plan B. Uzokunika hit song. Music awukufuna unamanye ama options. Awukufuni kinini imthebelele zonke ukuyishelela yangithola because it's gonna show as time goes with lo he made his way up because Papa Delebani and compiler. You understand like music ukufuna ulambile. Ukufuna fana umbashilo uselokishini ulukilanga. Mold and music will shape you, will make you a better person.
Let's not give up.
Last fuck me. Into music I said na uvela surprise ukungena ikholega umdubu utetwana zonke studio no so. Uyangithola kawo. That's what music does. So this year I've been away from music
Yeah.
because I felt like for the past 4 or 5 years I've been doing strictly music, trying to cement my space into the music industry. I'm the shit, you know. But this year I felt like man, there's no need to prove a point to anybody.
Anyone.
Like, look at my catalog. No,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be arrogant, but
No,
that
but you're
look at my
confident with
catalog,
with your
you know.
catalog, dog.
And this year I've been focusing mainly on this farming, food, exploring other stuff, you know, other avenues.
Mm.
And I've found so much peace, you know, while I was doing all of this because I
Mm.
was able to even write music, uploading, farming, and find myself ukuthi mina ngubani ngifunani beyond just being famous and flashlights and my hashtags and glamorous
Yeah.
lifestyle, hotels and whatever. And I appreciate the fact that I was able to take that small break. I
Yeah.
hope it did not transpire in the public, you know.
Yeah.
I hope people were not able to see Utale. That's
Yeah.
one thing I don't want. I literally I don't want that to happen. I've
Yeah.
always wanted to be a consistent artist. I've always wanted to be one guy who delivers to the people. I'm told.
Yeah.
But the last thing I need is to deliver to the people, but deep down inside I'm empty. I'm told because
Ish.
I'm gonna eventually run dry. I'm told when I'm always giving, 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 but inside I'm empty. They will eventually I'm not gonna have anything to give to the people.
Of course.
I'm told. So I've learned quite a lot of significant things in this journey
Yeah.
of taking a time out. Ukuthi, once you're in Mtuva. Ifana ne-contract yokuthwala, if I could say.
Yeah.
Once you're in the music, you're in. You can't be in and go out. Let me take a 2-year break, 6 months break, because by the time you come back,
Check up
the
it.
gap say I'm told you have so much to catch up on, and it's almost impossible to catch up. You understand?
Of
So
course.
this is just a minor, not minor, but a small advice to upcoming artists. Ukuthi mawungenile ungenile. Mawungathi uthatha break, people have a perception ukuthi sekawile. Akasena. You know, you can't take a break.
Yeah.
Noma ngabe
Thank you.
uyaphuma set up amabhomu wakho, set your things up. It's okay. This year I'm not planning to be in the studio every month or every day. Align your hits from the previous year. Make sure that you've got your, you know, your catalog waiting there. Ukuthi business izinto, whether it's fashion, whether it's whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. Ed.
Uya-edla. Mara uma
It's
ungathinta
like
ngayo wafocusa ngala
yeah.
konje.
Hey, Mos. Yazi uPC lokuthi hey userious namhlanje nje yami. PC kathi sengijwayeleke ukudelela or igaga. Ejuthi laba live ngibonakala ngudoti womuntu. UPC amkava ngithi hey Mos.
Ngimphethe hayi inja yami ukuluka.
Uyabona ke. Hayi PC
Hayi inja yami
uyaspeed
yeah.
mfana.
He's one genuine person I really want to work with. I like his work, dog. Lamchitalo we.
Span.
I mutanya lo mchitalo. You. I
PC.
know.
Yes, leave PC. Yes, says protect PC. I hope
Ithini.
lapho. No, yazi ukale wathi uyambelieve Mduva when you were talking about ngithi yes. As you look serious fandakhi jaya. Bakhathi yalaka. I'm dead. I PC protect but now.
I'm a
But
piece Tembo.
our PC is too much though.
Our PC is for much, Mtuva. Our PC is Tembo, dog. Aye, not even Tembo, cow.
PC yami ukali live mfethu ngik-invite la.
Our PC Tembo, fit. Aye, aye.
Mfethu PC i-catalog yakhe in a space of 2 years has grown.
PC is mad crazy. Too dope, dog. Like, PC is
Yeah.
dope. He's
You
dope,
know,
man.
Amos dog. Hey, yazi one day mele siyenzeni lento. Hey guys, nazi lo muntu uyakwazi ukudlala ipiano. Like, with the growth yakho ne,
Yeah.
because mina also like I saw certain things happening, I know everything behind. What's crazy? When you and Mess met, I knew Mess.
Yeah.
Imagine. Nina manija siyang empethu Mess yangikhalela uthi yo, Phaza Mtuva. Imagine. And I didn't know. Mfana beka lelo khekhe lelo ne, ulahle.
Hey, man,
Beka lelo khekhe Amos. Mfana qhubeka newine mfana. Qhubeka newine uyekela into eziningi. Beka ikhekhe. Ngalesikhathi. Yekela ikhekhe. Bheka mama. Oh. Hayi intwana ayisizwe. Yabona manje ama cravings. Kafana makavala le live uzolila.
No, ngizofita izinja zami.
Angeke. Ziyalidla?
We're too young for that.
Bazokhula babe ama cheese dogs mos.
Tana izinja zami zine-dessert, zigawula i-dessert again.
Hayi intwana ayikeke ikwenye izinga. Empethu sisakhuphuka thina lezingo kulo kwelinye mfana.
Izinja zami zidla i-dessert, mfethu. Zilala la.
Uthi PC athi ngiyakubulala. Ayi
Why?
namba yeke. No, so ama comments. So these are two lives, ne? Eyakho eyami. Ama comments wami awuwaboni.
Oh.
Awakho angiwaboni. Yabo. That's why like mase yabona lento oboyikhalela ukuthi sometimes nokuba nabo Cherry ngayina na. If I have a conversation no Cherry even Twembu and abantu bakhuluma ngapha nangala, sometimes nokubacela ukuthi vala ngalapha so ukuthi angimazi vala ngada and then uze kuyipanel yami and then sivule ipanel so that we can have a deeper conversation ngalento eqeda ukuqala.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Like even now, like abantu bebalokhu bathi please add Angelique, but mangicheck ngayi, I can see ukuthi unabantu ngada. So I can't add him. Yabo. So if unama guests ngada like uvule panel, I can't add you. But the minute now I can add you. Yabo. And then we can co-host so. Yeah, well, because everyone would like to see, like every time people like to see like unity and stuff, and a lot of people don't see this coming, but it's gonna happen. At some point, we are literally gonna have a YFM broadcasting around the same time with the Metro FM because this is the new radio station.
This is a new YFM, baby. Yeah.
Young Twal. So all these things that are happening, they're very important. They are very important for us to build our TikToks. I mean, yabona mongathi every day uzoba live for 1 hour. You find the perfect time for you, maybe just before you sleep or whatever. But every day it's religion. Wonke
Doc,
umuntu uyeza la ngaleso
I hope
sikhathi.
I'm not interfering with your lives because I know you live every day and now
No. In fact, this is fine. Like, don't worry. Sometimes it's better to talk about serious things. I mean, right now, a lot of people don't know you like that because they know the videos that you give them, but they don't know you like in the flash. Like Abanye, they are connecting with you. I'm asking the right things. You are saying things that I even forgot. Uguti, we had interactions over. Ngine kwebu. PC. PC mfethu abokuqala ilive uze ngapha man. Uthi ngigcine nginegwebo endlebeni ngise-clubini yesterday. Eish. Gaze lelo gwebo lifakwe yini? Phela ziningi izinto ezifaka amagwebo emahlelweni. But icabange kanje wena Amos Daddy. TikTok is a platform for us to be able to give them a Cardi B personality at some point. Like, yabo Cardi B, Ushama Artista Baya, personal. I feel like Ushama Artista Baya because she's real like that and people can connect with her. She used to do these lives, young chol, but on Instagram. And abantu baba connect naye. Manje ushange cult following. Beyonce is somebody that was prior social media. And if you are prior social media, you were built. Business yako is built by all these major labels. Nana. Abafani nam now, where we've never had that push. So everyone that was before social media, ubabheke, bagrowth, they don't have to do a lot of things. They can come here, but abanye they start struggling over time because they don't interact with their fans.
Thank you,
And they
Bobby.
were nage, yabona-ke. Bafethu nimgiftile loyo muntu.
No talent to gift kanti ba kambani
Okay,
mfethu imali.
ithi simbonise something. Okay. Accept lapho.
Tu mina ngithanda imali mfethu angizwani namapopayi nyana avela escreenini
So
mahala.
bheka yabona no ne. So yabona labo 9 what ama-taps now. Like people are liking your life. So it's gonna start trending. Go on the FYP at TikTok. Live yak, and then that's when they start seeing you. So the more likes you get, the more heart meals you get, your live will be interacted by a lot of people, including your content. You see your content. Sometimes we post ama numbers angakhuphuki kahle. The minute you go live and then your live gets a lot of likes and things, izinto zakho zilokhu ziyamuva. So i-awareness uyicreate kanjalo. So sometimes nokungena la sokuthi ngihleli ku-2,000 views. Mangiphuma sengihleli ku-20 something. You see? So all these things they work together at some point. Guys, ngicela nisigifteni. Lento yokusigift into ngithi simenzele example. Mele abone guys ukuthi kwenziwani.
Kids one
Please. So there's people that sit here and they get gifts like this.
Boni iplomo le ready.
Yeah, lelo alincane guys, ngicela nima-gift wamampela.
Kanti
Like
gift
something
amaphela yini mtuva? Ilento
ngicela
lento
from
bemele
100
uqeda ngakho
coins.
yini yona?
From 100 coins, can I please? I just want him to see how things are on TikTok. Ngawari wena, ngizoloku ngizichaza manje. Yabo ama-gift lawo mancane, ama-1 coin lawo, 1 coin, 1 coin. You see, if we were sitting here, maybe 10K, what, then ngabe sikhuluma imali. At least you're looking at maybe ungayithola plus minus. Thank you, Mshini. You see, mawuloku khuphuka kanje, you are looking at 500 rand, 200 rand. So you let it sit there and then uzoyenza whatever with that money. Or you could come back and gift other streamers
Okay
so that
mtuva.
they can support you.
Uyabona mina ngi-red wena blue.
Yeah, ngapha ngi-red. Dako,
Wena u-ready?
ngapha kimi. Yeah, ngi-blue kuwe. Mara ngapha kimi ngi-red.
So
Thank you, Thando.
mina ngibona 1.1,000.
Yami le.
Kusho ukuthini lokho?
Kusho ukuthi mina I have more coins than you.
Hayi
Thank you,
wena.
guys. So amakhono like TikTok. So masoyivali live ngizokutshela ukuthi uyochecka kuphi. Guys, guys, tell and gift Amos into bread lapho ngakuye. Amos. So abantu bakho.
Ngiyadlala guys, ngiyadlala.
Yeah, abantu bakho. This is another thing that humbles people again. It shows that like you connect with them and all that because this game you can only win it because of people feeling like you deserve to win. So akunakucheatha la. Angeke ukwazi ukuzigift angisho ungaba nemali engakanani or wenze awukwazi ukuzigift. It's only people.
Hey man, ningigift nina. Yay.
Uyabacela bhuti. Khuluma nabantu bakho kahle.
Abangizwa kumele ngibatshele ke.
Hey guys, ngithi intwana ngiyayifaka yabona. Ngiyayifaka. Hey. Guys, ngicela nimthumele intonyana lapha manigana jabule bafethu. Mina kodwa kimi ngicela iLion. So iLion,
Lion imali eningi ke. Yo.
iLion you can get like maybe 2 grand.
Bubezi. Okay guys, ngiyadlala ngiyanithanda nonke. Ngihambe ngizidlalela mina noMduva.
Bathi hayi asimupha ama gift uyasithethisa.
Ngiyadlala, mtshele Mdu, batshele Mdu.
Hayi isikhulumele nabantu bakho. Yindlela yokufunda le.
Okay, ngifundile guys. I'm aware of my mistakes.
Mfethu, let's not forget. Thank you, Thando. Let's not forget ukuthi
Thank you. Guys, ngicela ukushaya thank you one ke nami ke.
yeah, bonga nje. Every
Okay.
time when you get a gift, you can thank them.
Ngiyabonga ke, ngiyabonga. Yini?
So click. Yabo lapha kunalama ring lawa i3 bayakhombisa abantu bakho ne.
Ayi-3.
Clicka kuye. Kunabantu abayi3 la. Yabona kuma comments
Oh yeah.
and the screen. Yabona ku rematch.
Yeah.
Kunabantu bakho clicka kulabo bantu lapho. And then you're going to see a list of all the top 10 people that gifted you.
Oh, guys.
Mushini, thank you. Tando, thank you. Divine Favor,
Chris
thank you.
Mapuma,
Zinyo, Kwanda,
Divo,
Black Love,
Shamin,
Mosa,
Manana,
Nisa. Yes, Bosch.
Bongi
Duru.
Tube. Hey,
Thank you.
250 toxic. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I appreciate you. Sina ye womdanso cha Andile Constantia Nyabonga bafethu. I honestly don't know what it means, but angiyazi by tomorrow morning umuntu uzongi-explainela ukuthi
Yeah.
zonke izinto zichaza ukuthini, but ngiyabonga bafethu, ngiyabonga. I'm not an arrogant person. I'm just fooling around.
Uyazidlalela lo
Thank
muntu
you.
lo.
Ngiyabonga ngini
No,
nonke.
ungawari.
Amalayo,
Don't worry.
ama-elephant or ama-crocodile.
Ukuthi uliLion fana ngabe ngiyakhala phela 29,000 coins.
Malini in real money.
So because you are new, i-TikTok ithatha imali ebhayo. Ngiyi-rematch guys. Bathi rematch lapho. Okay, vele simfundisa ngenduku. Nimshayeni. You see, it's a rematch. So kunabantu that play these games on Amos like full on, ne?
Yeah.
And it's good to interact with those streamers because those are the people that are hosting every day, like all day. If you're good with them, nanoma push music, you can talk to them. Ngibona ukuthi nakhana kanjani. And then somebody will dropper. Like literally when you're dropping today, we're gonna talk about that song the whole day. You understand? Because now you're thinking dancers only. My lives. People that are just here all the time. You understand? And it's a very great platform that shows you abantu ukuthi bayakuncane. You can't run away from your people. Yangithola. So these things vele ziyakhuphuka over time, but personally, I think when you come to this space, uzoba nthembu kakhulu wena. Because some days you can literally post your thingy, perform the song the whole day. No mungahlala 1 hour udlale that song wire. Interact with them here and there. Ngicabangani, guys, I'm thinking of dropping these 2 songs. Which one should I drop first? Ganjani, yadlala. And then 5 emojis for this one, hearts for this one. That's it. Your people interact with you. They know Gucci on the day, sinawe. You know, you log on maybe on 10 till 12 o'clock. That dropping go. Okay, guys, let's go stream. You do it tomorrow. Ganja. You can't lose anything for trying.
I'm learning, Tuva.
Dog, when uzoba cool. Pela mina, don't forget, Gucci, like, for me to do this, it was because I went through a lot. And I'm rebuilding. You understand?
What's that?
And rebuild.
Tuva, what's a lot?
It's a lot, dog.
Do your fans know what a lot means?
The reason why I don't talk about it is because a lot of artists they think crushing other artists will make them bigger. Can't instead stop complaining and do something about it. So I decided, instead of complaining about 1, 2, 3, I was wrong for 1, 2, 3. Yes, I was wrong, but I thought I was doing the right thing. To help like this, to help like that, to do this, And all this time, you end up being in the back all the time. And then somehow it hurts you, and then it changes you. And I didn't want to change me. I still wanted to be me and focus on music. Because if I help you as an artist, it's because I believe in you. But this is business. You understand? I believe in you, but don't forget that this is business. Young Tol. So I forgot that this is business. We push this thing, but somehow you get hurt. You don't hate anyone. It's just that it hurts sometimes.
You realize with its business.
It's business, bro. So now instead of complaining, instead of complaining when Amos, I did something about it. Young Tol. So now that people are talking about their lives and when no shares do live in we are porega. It's business. It's business. Kubega. You are marketing your farm, bro. Don't worry. So every time, whenever I wanted to complain, in my mind I'm thinking, you don't want to be a better artist. And the intemnandi ngenhliziyo embi ukuthi valela nomnikazi balela. So I didn't want to have inhliziyo embi mina. I wanted to grow. So instead of complaining, I did something about it. I'm doing something about it as we speak. Namanje, we are interacting because you saw, no, I can add him. But if someone else invited you, you understand? Because now you know that I know a lot of things about this thing. We can do it a tit for tat. We can do 1, 2, 3. Because it's business. You understand? Yes, I help here and there. It's business. Because all this will amount... all this will amount to something at some point. The connection with your people, this and that. Abanye bazokukhumbuza bathi yakhumbula kulento kwi-TikTok yakho. Someone wrote into so what wena ungazungijwayela bese bakukhumbuza uthi hayi bekuyimi. Now you have a picture, you have a moment that you remember this person back. It becomes bigger than what it is, Now you can start realizing, Gucci, okay, out of all my fans, the ones that are with me all the time, I will always like nanomagu mamaki, Gucci mofunu listening session. There's a top 20 that you can bring from the lives. Because every time they're always part of your content. Nanoma postile, you know them. Kona manyama ma-account ogcina ulazi man ukuthi hayi man lo muntu uhlezi a-interacta ney'nto zami, you know. Those are the people that deserve to be
Njengabo
to hear music
Bongiduli.
first. You
Njengabo
see,
Bongiduli.
it's like that. So this thing at some point, as much as it's a marketing, we use it as a marketing tool. Other people use it as a platform to make money. Others use it as this, but it trickles down to business. Young Tol.
But Amos, can you please hide your glass when you're drinking because
No,
there is
restriction.
yeah.
Oh yeah, good restriction la consumption of
Yini
substance.
ngifake
Yeah,
ikomitshi ne?
yeah. If I get commission, yeah, it's
Okay.
better like that because it doesn't look wrong. Guys, please don't forget to send me your hotmails. Nagu Amos lapho ngicela ningakhohlwa ukufaka ama-hotmails. Follow
Thank you.
both of us, please. Thank you.
Thank you guys for the
Heads
Banele
up.
Sithebe Kusasa. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ngifake i-comment.
So no, commission ingcono yabona ba jump jump. And then when it comes to smoking, don't show alcohol. The classes don't show them like smoke. If there's someone who's smoking chuff, don't show them. It's always better to just not to show anything, you know.
Thank
Lana
you.
bayazi ukuthi
Banele, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
yeah. Banele, I hope usendile hotme yakho lapho. Please don't forget guys. Hotmes. Ungawakhohlwa ama-hotme. Tata scream lapho. Thank you. You see, Amos,
Sure.
ngicela ungitshele Autam, and the lie is scoop. These are the things that you say on interviews. Fana wawungasitshelanga ukuthi uwobhala ipati mfana.
Mduva zibhayi ngoma engizibhalile.
Serious?
Zibhayi. It's just that ipati yelikhile ukuthi ngibhalile, but there's a lot of songs that I wrote in the industry. Mangangitshela manje ngingathi yo unamanga wena.
Guys,
Zibhayi.
fakelani lo muntu uphethe ama-gift. Bafethe angaboni ne-lion noma into encane ezothi meow.
Hayi zibhayi mfethu. Zibhayi ngoma engizibhalile. Engibhalela abantu ababhaya, but sisayinile ukuthi I can't disclose.
Okay, perfect. No, it's okay. Oh, this one is because Uka Umpela had mentioned it on radio.
Yeah, she's the one who mentioned it, so I was like,
okay.
But I can't disclose. But by bigger artists, bigger than Kamompela that I wrote for.
Yeah. No, I believe you because I've been in contracts like that. Amanye, because at that time I had no big song. Abanye, they don't even mention you. You know, like there's songs that nobody knows that were there, you know. But we know. And that's why whenever somebody gets certain things in this industry, you start realizing Gucci they deserve it. Sooner or later you realize that they deserve it. Yabo njenganawe kanje bathi uhlala uyi-one engine eso it's because you deserve it. There's things that you have you deserve, and deep down inside you know how hard you worked. Angitsheli ngomuntu ofika la azocomplaina ku-social media. You know, like I once had a chat with one of the guys, Bagu, the biggest, what do you call it, podcasts, Limesat. Ngabatshela ngathi, yo, I can't even come to your stuff because money thing is, I worry ukuthi what if ungaziwa ngegossip? Ngcono ukuduma ingoma. Amos fana yekela ikhekhe mfana. Lobuthi lo uthe hayi yokugcina.
Mantwana seliyaphela ntwana.
Hawu ndoda.
Seliyaphela kawu.
Qeda hayi. God, Mara, this guy eats in small increments. Ebese ulala nini, Amos? After hours? Ngo 2? So, guys, ngingakhohlwa mahadmi wale ndoda kusamele sibize. At some point, guys, I was thinking ipate kamumpele. Yes, eyakhe, but he's the writer as well, Amos. Because remember, guys, there's a lot of things that you guys don't know about this music. And unokuzwa abantu ba-complain, isibani bani ungithathele in. Sometimes it's misinformation. Omunye umuntu akayazi nalento ayenzayo. They sent him a galaxy, but he didn't see it. Oh, Amos.
Kuphi?
Hey, you can't. Okay, yazenzani Amos. From your right hand side, ne?
Yeah.
Ngicela uswipe iscreen sakho so la ilentweni so. Usithi. Ungasitsheli ukuthi ubona. Ngicela uye la
Yeah.
so ubona ama details we live, ne?
Yeah.
Uyabona like $2. Cha ngiyabona. Swipe up back yekela-ke. Wabusakhuluma lutho. Angisakhuluma lutho.
Lewe ngathi ngizoba live every day.
I think him guys there. Okay, I'm gonna give you the match again, guys. Hey, nakubulala yo. Umbonile uchazeke kanjani? And the more you become big, people sometimes talk like we could literally talk about your song. Ne? Right now, let me challenge your people. Guys, lapho nala. Ngicela ozongitshela i-situation A1 or type ukuthi when you heard ingoma esoka Amos, what was happening in your life?
Yo, dog, ngicela ukuqala.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukuqala.
Yeah, kala bhuti.
Bambelela. Ubani uzobalula. Bamba. Yabona le ngoma leyo?
Yeah.
Mfana ngicule ngibroke.
Hey.
Ngicule ngilambile. Ngicule ioleli lami lithe mntanami asinasinkwa. La uyakhona. Ngifisa ngathi uNkulunkulu angaba nawo. Ubuye na something.
Yo.
Bamba. Mfana ngabuya ngiphethe amalofa ayi4 kanje. Kanje kawo. Ungangibuza ukuthi kanjani. Kanje.
Yeah.
That's how my mother believed in me, actually.
That's dope.
That's how.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
And I felt like, because being 50 rand, go 50 rand, I had a choice. Ukuthi ngithenge zonke ezi2 nama tin we fish, maybe 2 or 1. Angazi. Mara mina ngabuya nezinkwa ezi4. Yangidona?
Yeah.
Mangibuya nezinkwa ezi4. Mfethu mina nabantwana basekhaya mfethu singafaka umajarini. Yini konje? Iram. Sizophila mfethu.
Bangishaye. Guys, ngeke bafethu ngicela igalaxy.
Yini?
Bheka isikolo sakho yasibona ku-3,000.
Yeah.
Yabona manje ke ukuthi uwosha mina.
I don't even know what that means, but I appreciate you guys.
10,000 yenkomo. Nethimbu mlomo.
Ngakhipha iphelele.
Elele.
I don't know what that shit means, but yeah, no, shout out. Thank you so much, guys.
No, don't worry. Uzo understand. You know, the best thing when I Amos is that you just started. Young John. cabanga kube bengikuchazela lento le singayenzanga ungapressanga ungayenza awazi nokuthi ngikhuluma ngani. That's why starting is very important. Guys, ningathi anginenzelanga next. See, we are having a very dope conversation. Now one of the biggest artists in this world. You guys are niyadlala. And simfundisa bukhoma. What's the date today? Man, let's kumbule. Guys, as a family, we taught this man TikTok games. He didn't know what 3,000 coins mean. Ayalidla kothi khekhe. Hayi yalidla intwana. Hey. Mina emfana kuyaziwa la ukuthi mina ngiziphethe kahle.
Implementation manje. Implementation.
Kanje ukangibona.
Implementation. Implementation.
Yeah. Hey, boss, what? Nduva. Kathi.
Implementation. Okay, but Nduva.
Sure. Hey, yeah.
I wanna applaud you, ne? Nduva, ngithathe serious. Ngicela ube serious.
Okay, Finn, yeah.
I wanna applaud you for your
Yeah.
weight loss journey. Wena Nduva busdula wena.
Yeah.
Awona busdula, bohlala ujulukile kawo.
Yeah.
Bola.
Yeah.
Every moment ula.
Yeah. Hey, dog, that
I
thing.
applaud you, dog. You know, losing weight is not an easy thing to do. But it takes so much discipline, a lot of commitment, and you've done it.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga, Masipala. Umtanso ngiyabonga. Thank you, my
You've
brother.
done it, Njaya.
You know what's crazy, girl? When Namuti, what was a lot? It was here, Badela.
It's here, ne?
Yeah. Like, remember, Amos today, wekunzima kakhulu ukulose weight. Ikshaya ne-confidence. Like, vandaag ngikoke ibrugo I last wore this short and the be loose nyana. I last wore it 2016, 17. Bengasangeni. So this thing 2017 bengasangeni. Njengoba seyilose kanje. You understand? So I started this thing with mangihlele ekhaya ngigqoka impahla zakudala so that I know and gauge ukuthi sengi how far with this weight loss. Today, the reason why bengiphuza le coffee is it's my first day of fast. Today, angakadli the whole day. I'm gonna drink coffee and water, a cup of soup for the next 10 days. Abantu bala bayazi ke ukuthi mangilapho ay sometimes ngiyacomplain just sesingilambile. You know, but because yeah.
Yabona i-discipline ne-success zikanje.
Yeah.
You can't be successful without discipline.
Of course.
Angikhulumi ngabantu I don't even call it success. Ukuthi ushiwe inheritance.
Yeah.
Inheritance, I can't call it success.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ubani wakini ushonile ukushiyele ini. I don't know, but for me that's not success. It's success because you worked for it.
Yeah.
But you are successful because you've worked for it, because of the discipline, because of the sacrifices you've made. That's what makes a person successful. Young Tol, I don't know what your state, your current state financially or materialistically, if that makes even sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
In fact, there's no way a person can say, me, I'm successful. I'm gonna discipline. Ayiko. There's no
Of
way.
course.
There's
Of
no
course.
way. Success is very aligned with discipline.
Of course.
And
I dog.
you have done it, dog.
Hey,
You
Mvana,
have
we
done
are, we
it.
are
Can you believe it?
dog. Sometimes it's hard, dog. Like,
Damn, Duba, you've done it, man.
ngifuna ukwesinye isithombe yazi. Eish.
I know you've done it, dog. You've done what
Eish
most other
njami.
people can never do.
Hey, and it takes a lot. It takes a
Ngiyakuphakamisela njaya.
lot.
Uyinja.
Ngiyabonga Amos Badela.
Uyinja njaya.
Ngiyabonga Badela.
You've
Cause
done it. You've done it. Good.
my lady.
Look how handsome you are, my brother.
Dog, ngiyabonga Badela.
I
Let me
mean,
show
guys,
you
look
something.
how handsome Dubai is. What's him in Jebe? What's in a train? You laugh like a rich motherfucker.
Amos uyakungena ezo.
No, you've done it, dog.
It's
You've done
hard, dog.
it.
There's nothing as hard as losing weight. Like, remember, enye into wena enzima ngokulose weight, ne? It's not what you have to go through.
Yo! Look
Mele
at
uzinishe.
Njayam. I'm Chinese and you did it, dog.
Hey, mfana. You can't imagine, like, mele uzinishe even in days where everyone is happy. Acaba abanye banokushisa inyama. Yo. Yini manje le? Thank you. Cora, thank you. In the equivalent to blooming ribbons. Madoda ngiyabonga. Naso-ke. Intwana sishaye ngento engayazi. I-equivalent to lento oyitholile. Yabo le blue beyivelile lapho yakubeka ku-3,000 coins.
Yeah.
I-Galaxy, it's equivalent. Yes, that's me, guys.
150, 130.
Shuthi this match yimo ozowina. Until ba catch up. Angithi na last match ungishaye kanje.
Oh, kanti siyakhompyutha.
Yes, it's like ngathini, like abantu bakho bakhompyutha nabami. And based on what's happening sometimes, you know, bengithi ngibonisa riding. Guys, ningangijudge. TikTok, I hope ngeke ngibhene for lento engiyenzayo.
Tuba.
Yabo ukuthi like le shot le jango 2016 bengangeni at all.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Tuba Jayam. I'm proud of you, bro.
Thank you, my bro. Thank you.
Nigga, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Lekhathi ngiza kuMama Sita. Sizorekhorda Mama Sita.
I was fat. Yeah.
You're still fat. But now, you know what? This shit, I ain't eating this shit anymore. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Maratog, you lost now.
I know, but I can do better, Mduva. I can do better.
My man, Amos. This is motivation from me to you. Motivation from me to you, Badelan. There's other aspects of your life that needed you more. My health needed me more. I focused on it more. The problem ngati, we focus too much on what's not happening that we don't see the things that are happening around us. You know? Kunezinye izinto talk. The fact that Ukamumpelo mentioned you with that ukuthi wopalile nana. And it's highly rare for an artist to just say, hey, when a song is big, they so, me, I did this, but actually it's Amos. So that part of your life also took off. You understand? And Choguti, like you didn't see it's a great thing because you are focused more on what's not happening. You understand? Me,
Ngiyakuzwa
my
driver.
health needed me more. Now your mental health needed you more. Young Chol. And you focused on that. And the more you do that, uzoba happier when you realize, Guti, sharp. I didn't lose the way I wanted to lose, but I gained 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the fact that you lost, something here. So the yabo your organs naphakathi. Ubona ngokuthi makuhlatshwa inkomo futhi wena ke you see that time and again. Makuhlatshwa inkomo kunamafutha ahlala kuma organs.
Yeah.
You understand? That fat buqala kubheneke yona. So lamo lokubona ngathi mkhaba wakhe winda usadla lo ngaphakathi.
Yo.
And you need to carry on with the same mentality ngathi yo Cora, preparing to go to work. I may be out soon. Thank you, Cora. Thank you. So that thing leyenza ukuthi uloku ujime ebekwenza ukuthi ujime more. You need to make sure that you never lose that. And that's the thing which is mental. You understand? It is mental. It has nothing to do. Okay, Pe. Guys, Nani Lapo, please say by the show of hands if you understand. Nalapo Amos, by the show of hands. If you go at Jima, what's the hardest part about Jima? Is it getting up and leaving the house? Or is it the actual workout?
Getting up and leaving the house.
Getting out and leaving the house. See, when you get up, assess and go there. You now realize a good norm. Lento le ing test a mentality. You need to tell yourself, which I need to. I need to. Oh.
Marezi nje zanuka mtufu.
Melus clean.
Nota ngigezile le njale mara. And mzuzu ithanda i-intimacy. Marai.
Who has a glove, guys? Let's go. One tap per rose.
But Mduva, you see, getting up in the morning is the hardest shit ever.
Yes, sir.
Getting up in the morning. Mduva.
Yes, sir. It's the hardest.
Because when you're at the gym, it's the hardest. That's why I applaud you so much, Kuta Mpanai. Nyakvuma. The fact that you are able to go to the gym every day, every now and then. Yeah.
But remember, Amos, this part of my life where I was going through a lot, ne? Remember, I started this workout when had a lot of things. I was suicidal, like I was not okay. Kabanga, that time Umlando is booming. I'm not okay. And then Isuga, yeah, then I go grand.
Oh, Mduva.
I swear to God.
Mduva, you understand with Umlando Maushaya and too.
I was not okay. I was not okay. Because njengoba ngekho grand, guys, it is the time where I'm supposed to be happy. But I'm focused too much on things that are not happening instead.
Come by.
I'm a gift. Thank you, Cora. ngithole imani kan ne yo, thank you guys. Thank you for all these gifts. Thank you. Cora. Wena Cora wena. Ngiyakuthanda shem.
Kanti ubani
Anyway,
ukhora? Khora!
Charmaine.
Khora! Nami ngikhona!
So badelam njengoba ngiloku swina with umlando. Angisaboni nokuthi like I should be happy. Uyangithola? Khani ngibona Charmaine that is you. So instead of being happy this whole time, ukuthi hey, lento ekudala siyithandazela iyayenzeka. I'm focused on things that are not happening. You know, I've been in the game for too long. When Amos, you know this.
Yeah.
It happened with something Soweto. It happened with Trade, and then now it's happening with Utos. You realize, Guti, you can't change the people. All these things that you are doing, people will just choose. It's in a sandal lap. But I didn't. I blamed everyone else. Like, why abantu bangabhali amagama ethu sonke? Why bangayenzi so? Why bangayenzi so? Because it's not your time. I understand? You have to explain every time. Good, no, I'm part of this. I'm part of that. I'm part of this. I'm part of that. Leon Tiakatas. And I was dark, like inside. Like, now I'm learning. Good, okay. What really happened? And then you focus, which okay, Sam did this and it worked, which is social media. Mina bengekho social kakhulu. So all these things you start. That's why ngazi umuntu makablame everyone else but themselves ukuthi uyakhawatheka. The minute you start blaming yourself, that's when you know ukuthi I was supposed to do 1, 2, 3.
Duva, how was your experience with something Soweto? And
It was great.
how do you perceive him now? Not based on his career, but based on what happened back then. Because ezinye izinto zenzekile kudala, mara she's understand manje ukuthi oh, the reason why these decisions were made is because of 1, 2, 3. Mara sizibona namhlanje.
This is what I can say, Amos. Because there's many things I learned from him. If there's a rotten apple in empilweni or mall encounter, uzolithatha ulube lento ebhedayo uyilahle, and you take the good parts of the person. That's what I chose to do. Because he gave me the courage to write again. He gave me the courage to be confident again. As much as I did a lot of things with him, you know, and that we knew we had a brotherhood. You understand? So you pray that because you are as patience, you pray that, okay, I hope he's going to learn 1, 2, 3, he's going to do 1, 2, 3. And I wish him well. So when we had a fallout, I realized, Guti, I don't want to do 1, 2, 3 again because I learned something when we had a fallout. So I was never going to do or repeat the same mistakes or whatever. So I feel like all of us, he had break, he has change. Remember this person, wayibona njengoba nami ngibonile naye afly ngingasekho. I saw Setril flying ngingasekho, and people don't know ukuthi I was part of that. I saw Toes flying ngingasekho, you know, and that thing will hurt you. Now it doesn't mean I need to change. It only means I need to move different. But I can't move different if I don't blame me. Even blame everyone else but myself, then I won't change anything that pulled me down. Young Chol. So For me, I feel like he's a great human being that has been hurt with other things and he doesn't want that for himself. And Tina, we always point fingers when someone ahetheka ayenza into ebhedayo nani nani. It's because loyo muntu uhethekile. Aniboni ukuthi why lo muntu lo asaba. Yangithola sonke siyasaba masihethekile siyasaba. You understand? Nami, there's things that I don't do that I used to do because sengiyasaba. You understand?
Okay.
I will never. There's no way I could have a bad encounter now with Amos. Ngikuzonde kusasa mina. I'm not gonna talk about other people, but I understand ukuthi maybe Amos has been through 1, 2, 3. Maybe Sbanba emfethu ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi every person you meet is using you as something azoyigaina. But they don't want to put money on your pocket. Like uyayuzwa njalo umuntu maqeda ukuyuza avaye. Next time, by the time you realize ukuthi abantu bayangiyuza, what's the first thing you do? You protect.
No, I hear you. I hear you very much, Mr. Mduva, sir. I had my
Thank you,
own
guys.
experiences with Usam. I remember the first time I met Usam, Bignu Shasha, Bignu Kabza, Bignu Maporisa. We were in Maporisa's house. I was very tiny and I had a very low self-esteem.
Yeah.
And
Wait, Amos, ngicela ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi abantu bangahambi ne. Cela ungenzele
yeah,
favor out yami.
yeah,
Because now Ungelique wants to be part of this, yabo? Because he's here, you know. Awumind ukuthi siyenze so. Ungene.
Gotcha.
Uze kupanel.
I don't mind.
Ngicela uende i-live yakho and come to this live. So uzopressa le bheka think lise sometimes. Let's say uthola i-request ongayifuni. Uzoclicka yabo lama ring lawa lapha bottom left.
Yeah.
Uzowaclicka, waclicke la lama ring wethu. And then top right kune phone engathi ne arrow nama dots. Upress phone engathi ne arrow. Uzophuma la bese uend live. So that ufunde ukuthi umuntu makaku-invite lo accepta nge-mistake uphuma kanja.
I am Tuva.
Click on the ring.
Yeah, the ring is showing me
I-list yabantu angithi.
make new friends with quick invite.
Yes. So at the top khona into
With
enamadots
dots.
ayi-3.
Yeah.
Next door nayo kune-phone ene-arrow. Uclicka leyo phone ene-arrow. Izokukhipha la bese uyayi-enda ke i-live kahle
Okay,
uvalelisa abantu
anginayo
bakho.
phone in arrow. I don't have a phone with an arrow.
Okay, kunento encane so man. So ene-arrow man. Next to the 3 dots. Batshele ukuthi size ngapha sibambe i-conversation.
Okay, let me just end the live.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sharp.